Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious and yummy pasta. If this is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. These are all the ingredients I will be using: chicken breast, carrot, bell pepper and onions. I have fish, and then I have sausage. Next, in a clean pan, I'll go ahead to add some oil. I use sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I will be adding the chicken breast, which I diced or chopped into smaller bites. I'll fry this. The next thing I will be adding to it is a garlic powder. Next, I have onions powder. I will also go ahead to add some spices. I will be adding different type of paprika pepper, varieties of them. I will be adding all this, and then I'll also go ahead to add maggi, and I'll also add salt, and then I will stir everything together. I will just fry this for few minutes until it is ready. Now that it is ready, I will go ahead to take this off the pan, and then I will show you the next thing to do. At this point, I'll be adding the chopped onions. I'm using white onions, and then I'll also go ahead to add the purple onions, and I'll fry these for a few minutes. And now I'll be adding the next ingredient, which is going to be our chopped pepper, fresh pepper, atarodo, the one you can tolerate. Next, I'll be adding the chopped carrot. I'll also stir this and fry this for few minutes before adding the next ingredient. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is our bell pepper. If you don't have bell pepper, you can skip this. And then I'll go ahead to stir this up. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. Now I'll be adding some maggi. I'm using no maggi. Next, I'll add salt and then give everything a good stir. Please go ahead to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. This is the pasta I will be using. In a boiling water, I will add some salt and then go ahead to add the pasta. Cook this for 7 to 10 minutes, and thereafter I'll take this off the fire. Now that our sauce is ready, I'll go ahead to add some oyster sauce into this. You can also omit that if you don't have oyster sauce. I will be adding the fried chicken, fried fish. I did this off the camera. Fried sausage, I also fried this off the camera, and then I'll go ahead to stir everything together. Do you know that you can also use this sauce for fried rice? Go ahead and try it. Now I'll be adding the cooked pasta, then give everything a good mix. Guys, this food was so yummy. You can use this recipe for lunch or dinner. I'll cover this to cook for just few minutes and open up, and now I'll be adding some spring onions just to garnish this up, and then our sauce and pasta is ready. Guys, will you be trying this? If you do, please don't forget to tag me, share this video, like this video. I went ahead to add some extra fried chicken into this. Guys, this was so delicious. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and keep eating good food. See you in my next video. Bye.